When I think of a magical day, I think about spending the whole day doing girly thing with my sister, and that's what we're going to do today. Huge shout out to Oath Factory NYC for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to create our own scent. On May 29th, we decided to do a sister day. We took Kaylee along because Kaylee is the only one that's not in school yet, so here she is. She'll be joining us on today's journey. And today's journey takes us down to Newberry Street, and obviously you do need to make an appointment for the full experience. And it's honestly super easy. Just go on the website and select how many perfume is being created. Select a date, a time, anytime you want, and then input in your personal information and click confirm. First impression wise, I thought that the parking was quite hard down here, so go on a weekday is better than the weekend. I actually took 14 minutes just to find parking after dropping the girls off, but the end result of being able to create my own scent, my personal scent, has been worth it. Hi, Bubby.
Lemon.
What does this smell like?
I don't know.
Flowers.
Honestly, after I've gone through this experience, I will definitely go back and see if I can outdo the first scent that I will be creating today.
This is the one I like.
Wait. Whoa, she chose quick.
Wait, smell these three because it's just. Don't put it away. I knew it.
This is my smell.
Which one is that?
Smell these three. Wait, smell
Blake?
these because they weren't included.
Yeah, and anytime you, no, absolutely not. I think I've always been a really decisive person. I always know what I wanted, and I always know what I didn't want. So this experience honestly just confirmed that for me.
Kaylee. Cheese.
So my chosen base scent is Blake, and I think this is jasmine base. And after that, the mixologist will be the one that asks you what it is that you're looking for, what is your favorite vibe, or what is your go-to perfume. And then she makes you something with using almost the same ingredient, and then she starts throwing her own swig at it, trying to see which one you would like more.
You know what we should do for the bridal party? What? Let's make all the bridesmaids a scent. And put your name on it.
We got two bridesmaids, you and V.
Just so that the different ingredients won't bias what your guys' favorite fragrances are on the skin. I put the same combinations I put on these platters, but on 4 different spots.
We're decisive people.
Yes, look at you, Erica.
One of my favorite tips that I learned from this particular experience is once you've decided that you don't like something, even for a smidget, drop it, don't look back. Yeah, there's no maybe.
We're decisive people.
Yes, look at you, Erica.
Let you guys think. I want you guys to be happy with it. This has been a super fun experience. I definitely would go back. I highly recommend you guys having a girls' night out or a girls' day out. This is one of those activities that is fun for your mom, your sister, your cousin, your aunt, anyone that you're close to that you kind of want to have a one-on-one with, or even a large bridal party. This is definitely the place to be.
It smells significantly different in this store.
Oh.
Even 30 minutes late, it smells like the other perfume that she always smells better.
Name for your perfume.
9 letters.
You have up to 9 characters, not including spaces. You have letters, numbers too, in case you want to do like a date or something like that.
I'm excited. Oh, I can smell the strong jasmine, right? I like jasmine a lot. You smell like
Name for your perfume.
9 letters.
You have up to 9 characters, not including spaces. You have letters, numbers too, in case you want to do like a date or something like that.
I'm excited. So I heard that for the engagement, mom is supposed to like give you
His mom.
his mom, not your mom, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
I know
don't
the
know.
family's supposed to give you something. The family gave me something from the game.
Yeah, she's gonna take me to pick it out because she wants me to like it.
Okay.
So we're going jewelry shopping sometime.
Oh, I can smell the strong jasmine, right? I like jasmine a lot.
Anyways, after she put it on, obviously I already know which one I wanted, but she told me that I had to go outside, stand around, sweat, do a few things, you know, just the scent will change as you leave the store. And she was correct, all the scent did change, and throughout the day I did notice I like one more than the other, but ultimately the one that I fell in love with first and the one that I chose to make or get made was still my favorite.
Yeah, that one has the same top
That's why I
note as
like
your
it.
other one.
Upon coming back in, we were supposed to choose a name as well as what bottle color we wanted, and guess who chose this one? Drop me a comment down below.
Ooh, wow, pretty.
Did you guess it right? If you did, great. It looked like you really know the Mac sisters after all. As for me, I was caught between two different scents. When I smelled this particular smell, to me, it smelled like seduced. So that was originally the scent choice that I have chosen, and the color was originally red. However, Lily came up with a much better name, and after I heard what she had to say, I feel like that was a better pick. That and Kaylee picked up that bottle, so I decided to go with Undressed. Why? Because my favorite thing to do when I get home is take off my clothes and walk around naked. Jokes, all jokes. Or am I being serious? Honestly, you have to experience this yourself in order for you to really get what I mean, because I am definitely someone who loves scent and I definitely love perfume. There are a lot of times when I've gone to the mall or when I order things online, and when the perfume come, I noticed that I didn't love it as much, but here, because I'm able to customize it, I'm literally picking out only the scent that I like and adding it together. At the end of the event, they'll ask you to fill out some information on the computer, and this way they can log in exactly what they created for you, so the next time when you come in, they'll let you know if you just trade the same scent. This way you can kind of have your own little flair and try something new.
Okay, yeah, that's probably better.
Everyone is always hoping, praying to God for a more beautiful life or a more happier life, but I don't see enough people trying to create it. So that's just what I'm doing with my sister. Instead of hoping for better days, I want to create a better day. Whether it's for myself, whether it's for my sister, whether it's for my kid, I am someone who firmly believes that you will get what you want if you are willing to work for it. So I too believe that you can do it too. So book your appointment and create your first scent.
You like the pink one?
It's Lily's.
Here you go. For you.
Thank you.
No, I'm taking a big piece.
Lily wants, she wants.
Oh, it's a video, right?
Yeah.
We decided that we're hungry, so we're going to have lunch together at Salty Curly, which is literally down the block from. So join us on our lunch date.
Ooh, mine is really good. It tastes like.
Excuse me, it's kind of. Thank you. Jennifer Bradshaw. Enjoy. Mommy.
If you want to know if this tastes good, it tastes so good. Our server was amazing. The weather was just weathering perfectly. It was just perfect. It was just a perfect day out. It was exactly what I needed. I had a really hard day of work before doing this experience, and I'm so glad I played hooky and just went and hang out with my sister today. You are always one decision to have a better day. Choose well. Choose making perfume, and eating good food.
Dante, with your pretty nails, you wanna?
I think it's just garnished it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, it's stuck, dude. Let's do it again. Okay, got it. And you have me ready?
Ready?
She missed the first one.
Beautiful.
Okay, you ruined it.
Everything is content, everything is content.
Yours are good, but
The car.
those remind me of the zoo.
The sound of the car passing by. I feel really bad that you guys are always watching videos of me months down the road, but to be very honest, it's quite hard for me to have a life and actually enjoy and being in the moment with everybody and then posting at the same time. So I'm a terrible person when it comes to update while I'm doing something, but I do try to catch up with you guys because you guys are my internet family. You guys gave me my head start in life, and I will forever be grateful, and that's why I still take you on my journey to kind of like show you my growth and how your support has meant so much to me, how much further it has pushed me in my career and life, and I will forever be thankful for that. After our lunch, I had to go back and pick up my 2 girls from school, and Lily has to go back to work, and that ended our sister day out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And once again, if you need a sign to do things to make you happy, this is it. If you haven't yet, don't forget to check out these other videos, and I have also put up the preview for the next video.
We spent the whole day at New England supply store with the kitchen designer. It was a lot of work. It feels like on the first day spent like 4 or 5 hours with Home Depot. I really enjoyed that